Hello friends, today we are going to see our second day part. Our first program part has been completed. If you didn't see my first part of the assembly model programming, so you can watch. Okay, this is the second day of programming. So our floor finish has been completed. Okay, so I will do second day. So first I will create here second day part. Okay, we can create also, but I want to do in this one. So I want to do this is pocket rough. Okay, so I want to use rough program. Okay, or like that. Okay, period operation I will come, will contour I will come. Okay, this is the cavity milling I will use program, or I want to use 16 bool. Okay, this is my 16 bool cutter. Okay, or this is work this one, or method mill rubbing. Okay, so what is the program number? This is 8 16 bool. Okay, rough. This is 16 bool rough. Okay, I will select specify area. Okay, cut area I will specify. Okay, I will add area. Okay, one more area I will add, as you know. I will add. Okay, add one more area. Okay, then click OK. I want to use follow parapet. Okay, 75% of the tool I will use. Point to depth cut I will use. Okay, cutting parameter I will come. Depth first. Stop I want 0.1 both side. Okay, part more stop I want 0.1. Okay, our strategy will be same. Condition okay. I will just choose non-cutting move or open area none. Okay, transfer rapid automatic plane 120 I will use. Okay, this is my previous plane 0.2 or 0.5. Okay, I will take 0.5. Okay, 0.5 my previous plane. This is my engage and return. This is my previous plane 0.2, 0.5. Okay, you can use it. Then okay, I will define the feed and speed. Feed I will define 1400 for the pocket or 1800 for RPM. Okay, okay, and generate the program. You can see what's going on. Generate from top 0. Okay, but I don't want. Okay, so what I want to do, I will check it. This is my top range. Or what is my top range? Top range is this. I want to check here. Okay, then okay, or generate program. Okay, so our program has been generated from this phase. Okay, you can see this is my roughing program. Or I want to just replay. Okay, I want to replay like that. Something slow type. You can see. Then OK pause and OK or OK you can do. Okay. Now I want to use 8 bull finishing, 8 bull cutter for semi or finishing program. Okay. So I will take this program or copy or paste inside. Okay, I will double click on over it or specify area. I will specify this area. Okay, add this area, add this area, or click on the middle of the mouse cursor button. Okay, then click OK. Okay, I want to use 8 bull. Okay, so I will choose the 8 bull cutter. This is my 8 bull cutter. Okay, I want to use semi finishing point one. Okay, or there is okay everything. I want to use film cut. Okay, film cut strategy is stagger on RAM 3%. Stock I want 05. Okay, 0.25 both side I want. Okay, 0.25. This is okay. Or I want feed rate about 1800 into 3500. 3000. I can use 3000. Okay, calculate. Okay, cut level I will specify. Top level I don't. Top level is okay. Good. Or I will generate. Okay, you can see. So this is our semi finishing program. Okay, or I will generate now finishing program. Just rename over it 9 9 8 bull. Okay, 8 bull semi finish. Okay, this is my semi finishing program. I will take copy, paste inside. Okay, or I want finishing program. I will choose here finish program. Okay, I can choose also 0.05. Okay, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, or I will take stock 00 both side. Okay, then okay, I just need to feed and speed rate is okay. I just need 3500 is RPM. Okay, or generate the program. You can see this is my finishing program for 8 bull. Okay, because this corner is a 4 radius, that's why I am using 8 bull. Okay, so you don't need to be confused why I am using that. I will just rename 10 8 bull finish. Okay, or now I want to do floor finishing program. Okay, this is the floor finishing. I just copy on over it, paste inside. Okay, or I will click on over it. I will specify the cutting area. Single phase I want. Click mouse middle button, mouse middle button click, mouse middle button click, mouse middle button click. Okay, so I want to use this, or I want RPM about 3500 or 3800. Okay, so this is my floor finishing program. You can see. Okay, so don't need to think anytime anyway. Okay, so our finishing program has been completed. Now I will just rename over it. Uh, what cutter is this using? I want to use the cutter. We will always say what cutter. There is a 16 bolt, but I want to use 8 bolt. So this is our mistake. You need to check properly. Okay. So this is our 8 bolt finishing program. You can see here. Okay. Then okay. Or you can also see what cutter is open here now. Okay. So just rename 11 8 bolt floor finish. Okay. So our pocket program has been completed, as you can see. Now I want to do this writer program. Okay, create operation. Okay, I will take here. This is the copy or paste inside. Okay, uh, click on over it. Specify cutting area. This is my cutting area. You can see. I want to generate faces like that. Okay, middle click button, mouse click. Okay, I want to use the tool of 1 mm flat. Okay, 1 mm flat I will use, or 1 mm ball. You can use it. Okay. There is a point one. I will use 0.23. Cut the cut. Okay. For cutting parameter I will come. Stock I want only 0.25. 0.02 both side. Okay. 0.02. This is okay. Good. I will take feed rate about 600. Okay. 2800 automatically has become. I will generate. So this is our one end mill. Okay, sorry, uh, stop. I will stop this. I think this is okay, good, no problem. Okay, once again I will generate it. I want to 60% of the parameter to that. Okay, or generate the program. Sorry, what's going on? I will just I want to check cutting area. Where is the cutting area? Okay, good, no problem. Then why? Okay, there will be some images. This is also okay. Then okay, we will click. Or I want to specify this floor face. Okay, okay, sorry. This is our problem. Okay, I'll select. I want to select this range about, or bottom range is this. Okay, uh, then click on over it or generate the program. Now our program has been generated, but I need to cut the toolpath. Okay, so I will cut it. Okay, so first I will take a rename 12th one flat rough. Okay, this is our rough program. Okay, so what I want to do, front I will commit. Okay, this is our program. You can see here uh, which faces I don't want. Okay, so I will take front. Okay, front position repaired from hidden edges. Okay, so now what I want to do, first I will take one face. Okay, so I will take face from this point. I will come in edit toolpath. Okay, edit toolpath I will come, or I want to trim geometry by plane, this plane above of the point 2. Okay, this is our non-cutting moves. Okay, so apply, we will. It will take some time to cut the toolpath. This is not a power mill. Power mill is very good for cutting the toolpath. Okay, so friend, our program has been cutted. Okay, so now what I want to do, there is a rough program. Now I want to create one more finishing program. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on over it. I will come create operation. Will contour I will come. Okay, or I want to do contour non-skip areas. Okay, or I want to use one ball cutter or workpiece. This is finishing program. Okay, or 13 one ball finish. Okay, this is our program. Okay, then I will specify cut area like that. Okay, downside tangent face I will take it. Okay, whatever the tangent has been will get specified automatically. Okay, so okay, okay, area milling I am using now. Done. I will take zigzag. 5% of the tool I am using. Lead level zigzag, or 5% of the tool I will use. Okay, 5% of the tool I will use. Click OK. Or feed rate and speed about 400 or RPM about 3500. Okay, 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 and generate. You can see our finishing program is that like. Okay, so this is great finishing program. Now what I want to do, this is this part. Okay, okay, now I want to do this board finish. Okay, analyze part with diameter about 22. Okay, so first I need to do CD or drill. Okay, then I will do interpolation. So create operation, hole making. Okay, this is for drill, or this is program. No tool I have no tool. Workpiece or drill method, spot drilling. Okay, 14 number is spot drilling. Okay, so we will specify that part. Okay, this is backside coming. Okay, so what I will do, I will take reverse side, or in the post processor face cylinder 2. Okay, so once again I will just put it specify. One more time I will click it, or reverse, click it, or reverse, click it, or reverse. Okay, then okay, we will define the tool. Hole making, standard drill don't want, I want the center drill. Okay, center drill I will take it. Okay, like 8 mm is enough. Okay, cutting parameter I will come, or top offset 120 I want. Okay, then okay, or I will take feed rate about 100 mm, 100 mm per minute. Okay, and spindle speed 2000. Okay, for CD generate program, you can see this is our CD program. You can see. Okay, so now I want to do drill program, create operation. This is our drilling program. Okay, work with drill method 15 drilling. Okay, this is our I will take hole cylinder 2, or that side. Okay, one more time. Okay, click on over it, or reverse, click on over it, or reverse. Okay, the depth is 70 mm. Okay, then okay, I will generate tool one more time. I want to standard drill about 20 mm. Okay, standard drill. This is the 20 mm standard drill. Okay, then okay click, or feed it about 50 or 700. Okay, okay, generate the program. So this is our drill program. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to do interpolation. So I will take period operation, or mill contour, Z level profile. Okay, I will take 10 end mill. Okay, this is the workpiece. I want to do mill semi finishing program. Okay, 10 end mill semi finish. Okay, then click OK, or specify cut area. This is our area. Middle mouse button, click, or add whatever you want. Okay, then click OK. I want 0.1 interpolation, depth of cut, cutting parameter. Yeah, this is our film cut. Okay, I want to take a stock about 0.25. Okay, this is okay. Connection no need. More I will come. More no need. Nothing. Okay. Feed rate and speed about 1200 plus 3000. Okay. Okay. Generate program. See that program. How many types of non-cutting move? Okay. So I don't need this. Okay. Open area none open. I will take non-cutting move. Okay. Or I think open area. I don't want anything. Okay. Then OK click, or generate. Let's see how is this. Okay, but there is only 2D, like 2 point 2 point of going. But I will come in cutting parameter. Okay, strategy I will take kilim cut connection. I want stagger ramp on part 4%. Okay, then okay, then generate the program. You will see something better. This is ramp. Okay, you can see. So this is our semi-finishing program. Now I want to copy, paste inside, or I want to finish the program. Stock 00 I want, or generate program. Okay. So this is our semi-finishing program. Okay, our finishing program. Sorry. So that part program has been completed, as you see. Now I want to generate. Okay. Toolpath, verify, 2D dynamic, fine. Okay. Or generate. Before generating program, NC code. Okay. You just need to come here or see the 2D dynamic. Okay. Then you will generate. In this board, you can use boring bar. Okay. I am always using boring bar cutter. Just boring bar. Just you need to do only uh, point 1 or point 2 side stock. Then you can use the boring bar. Okay. I am always using the boring bar. Okay. In the center hole, I didn't program, so just semi-finishing, copy, paste inside. Okay, or rename. Uh, Here you can rename. Okay, first rename 18, 10 and mill, 10 and mill. Finish program. Same or finish whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, I'm just doing semi finishing program. Cutting area, or this cutting area you just need to remove here or add this area, or okay, or generate program. Okay, then okay. So this is our program, you can see. Then okay. So our first part has been completed, as you see. Okay. So now I want to do second part. Okay. So this is our second part, I think. This is not a. This is our last hole. Okay. So what I want to do? This is one hole only. Okay. So okay, no problem. I will do it. Okay. So let's watch next video. I will tell you then how can we do it. Okay.